It's 4 in the morning. My car started, so that's good. But it's like, look at this. It's like ice, bro. It's covered, bro. I'm up. It's 8:15. Look at my windshield. This is my back windshield. Yeah. That's the whole car. I got the heater on right now. So I got the car started to try and melt some of this. And guess what? I got an ice scraper. I got an ice scraper. I got an ice scraper. Okay, I knew I paid $300 for that for some reason. And this was the reason. I'm trying to get up. I'm in my sleeping bag. Yeah. It's 19 degrees outside. Honestly, don't feel bad for me. Everything that happened was my fault. I didn't check the weather. Because when I was in Montana, it wasn't snowing the whole time that I went, these last 2 times, for winter break and for my birthday in February. And then I thought I was safe. And then I get caught in a blizzard. Always check the weather, because you could get caught in a winter snowstorm. Apparently. I don't know. That's never happened to me before. Oh my gosh. I was so cold last night. My head. My body's fine. The sleeping bags work, y'all. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Sleeping bags work, y'all. This sleeping bag, I didn't feel a single inch of this cold in my sleeping bag. And I put my little blanket in it too. And then I took, because it's a big blanket, it's one piece, LOL. I took the blanket and then so I wouldn't be cold. Smart. But it was very cold. I just couldn't feel it. Get a sleeping bag. All right. Gonna go see what happens. Okay, it's stuck. All right. Oh no. Oh yeah, this got bad. Oh, that's a good number of inches. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know. This is so bad, but there's nowhere to go but through. All right, here we go. Ain't no way to get out but through, I guess. Oh my God, there's so much snow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's no, oh my God, my shoes. Oh my God. This is not good. This is definitely not good. Let me take a picture while I'm here. OMG. Guys, what am I gonna do? I don't even have the right one. I have a sweater and a cardigan and a long sleeve shirt under that. Oh my God, I'm sick. This is ridiculous. Why did I do this? I don't regret it. I don't regret it. Yo, I'm like SpongeBob in that one scene. Oh my God, you guys. My shoes are wet. All right, time to go tackle this car. I gotta shovel it out, bro. That lady told me sometimes the shovelers come to to shovel their parking lot. I said, oh, girl, I can't wait. Like, I'm not gonna be here all night waiting for your shoveler sometime. So here we go. At least my outfit was cute before I started. I got my hot hands in here. It kind of slowed down a little bit. I bought this ice scraper. Let's see if that helps. So we've already made a few mistakes. I kind of moved my car before I shoveled anything, and it's a little stuck. So now I gotta figure out how to get it unstuck in this like 6-inch. Oh my god, look at the icicles for my car. That's cool. I didn't know cars did that. Anyways, all right. Here we go. It's melting. That's good. Okay, so I did a little bit. Shoveling snow is hard with an ice scraper for windshields. I just want everybody to know that. Shoveling snow is hard. And I parked in the wrong spot. And I should have parked over there. And I didn't. But whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go back outside. Now that I got feeling back in my hands, I had to come and sit in the heater. 30 seconds out, 30 seconds out. I know y'all were worried about me. It only took an hour, but I did it. And my skin looked good. Yup. This is me, y'all, because the closest Starbucks is hours away. Y'all see my large Love's coffee? I got my coffee. I'm gonna fill it up. If you didn't know, these are non-dairy. The French vanilla and the hazelnut one, so I'm gonna use those. We got some syrups here. Vanilla. Do you want 2, 3, 4. It's sugar-free, by the way. It's too hot. We'll serve 2 each. Alright, 30 each. What is this? True lemon? What's that? 1 packet. Taste of 1 wedge. I'm gonna take a few of these out of curiosity. Mix this up. I cannot believe, honestly, that I got stuck in a blizzard. Like, I got my car out, so that's good. Cleared all the snow. I had to shovel snow for like an hour. I want everybody to know that. I had to reach underneath the car because it was getting stuck. I hope everybody knows that. I'm free now, but it's already 11 o'clock. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be. And I can't even get on the highway. It's freaking blocked. I'm wondering if I should go. I think I'm gonna go, you know, like worst comes to worst. I got food, I got water, you know? I mean, food is a loose term. Food is a loose term, but I got it. Like, I got ramen. It's not warmed up. I'm trying to decide what to do. I don't want to be stuck here all day. But if I drive, then I will get out of the blizzard. I did a little cute little braid out on the back half of my head. It's cute. I should do that more often. Anyways, I think I'm gonna just go for it. Go for it, go for it, go. Go for it, go for it, go. Go for it, go for it, go. That's from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Why this man just asked if I'm from here? This white man. I said, no. And then I walked away. Why you want to know where I'm from? He was probably going to tell me that I'm not dressed right appropriately for the snow whatsoever, which I agree. I got Birkenstock slides. Oh, there go the snowplow. Doing his big thing. I couldn't be no snowplow, man. Imagine I get stuck. Ah! Imagine I get stuck and I'm supposed to be saving everyone. You know, I have had bad ideas and I have made some bad decisions. This got to be in the top 3. It's all right. Sometimes, you know, you don't plan for things. I mean, I didn't even check, honestly. Sometimes you don't plan for things, and then things happen, and you just got to deal with it. You know, go for it, go. Like, that's all you can do. So here I am, seeing if I make it to Montana alive. I mean, what's the alternative? Let's think about this together. I go back to Florida. That's literally 3 days in the other direction. I'm only 10 hours away from Anthony, and I still have another week off of school. Like, I might as well just drive and see what happens. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Y'all, it's a winter wonderland in the middle of March. I know you might not be able to see it, but I see some blue skies over there. I just turned on the 34 West off of 45 North. So now I'm going west again. I'm by myself now. That semi-truck gone. He kept going north. So let's see what happens. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Skies are clearing up. So I think we're in a somewhat better position than we were before. I found like the only gas station in the middle of nowhere, and everything's covered in snow, bro. It snows because I did it. That looks dangerous as hell. I'm using the bathroom. That's all I could find, bro. There's like no coffee places anywhere. It's been like 200 miles. That's all I got for you. All I got for you. Ooh, this is straight sugar too. It's fine. Ugh. How much sugar is in this? Not that much. Not that much. Not as much as you would have thought. What else did I get? I got water. But I just ran out of water. I got some honey roasted peanuts by Nut Harvest. Let's taste test. Trying to stop the chips for a minute. Mmm. Delicioso. Okay, gotta get back on the road. I'm on the side of the road because this truck dirtied up my windshield, and then I tried to clean it, But the windshield wipers were frozen to the freaking windshield. The ice. Oh my god. The ice. And then I was driving with a completely dirty windshield and I couldn't see anything. What the heck? New development. I'm trying to turn the windshield wipers on, but the spray thing is also frozen. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. I ate. I had some leftover water. Oh my gosh. This crack in my windshield is hilarious. Okay, it's my last gas stop. I'm only 300 miles away. I'm in some very small town. But last gas stop, okay? We're 160 miles from Billings, which is about an hour outside of Bozeman. If I remember correctly. I don't live there. The hell. But gonna get gas. I made it, y'all. If you're worried about me, I'm still alive. I'm literally like 3 minutes from Anthony's house. So I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thanks for joining me. I'm choking. Jesus Christ. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Okay.